As recently reported in the Daily Caller, for the past 3.5 years, I have lived a nightmare. I was subject to baseless criminal charges instigated by a suspected Chinese government agent who wished to infiltrate and destroy my organization, ETNAM, in order to stop our peaceful efforts to bring an end to China's ongoing campaign of occupation, colonization, and genocide in East Turkistan. Initially, this individual tried to buy me off, but when I resisted, they resorted to threatening me and my family. When that failed, this individual filed a baseless criminal complaint against me on July 11, 2018, in a complete perversion of our justice system. Unaware of this, I was arrested months later on September 12, 2018, under the false charges of terrorism and was subjected to hours of interrogation by the FBI. Subsequently, certain individuals and organizations who I now fear have been in communication with this suspected Chinese agent used the opportunity to defame me, spreading baseless lies about me. However, after my defense team determined this individual has ties to Chinese government entities, the court was notified of our intention to introduce expert testimony addressing the fact that the individual's profile was consistent with that of a Chinese intelligence operative. And so, after almost 3.5 years of extensive litigation, the U.S. Attorney's Office suddenly dropped its case against me. And while I thank God, my family, my defense team, and my supporters that the case was dropped, however, many questions remain unanswered. I call on the U.S. Senate Select Committee on Intelligence to investigate the handling of my case, and I urge the U.S. government and all other freedom-loving governments to push back against Chinese intelligence operations targeting East Turkistani groups, especially pro-independence groups like the East Turkistan National Awakening Movement and the East Turkistan government in exile. We must remain vigilant so that we may continue to prevent Chinese government influence and infiltration operations within our borders, which not only pose a clear and present danger to Uyghurs, but as my recent experience shows, also threaten to undermine America and her institutions from within. God bless and protect the United States of America.